Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so for the third day in a row, I've made literally no changes to the daily chart because there's nothing to change. The blurb on the bottom remains the same. It's pure compression action. There's no sense in trying to reinvent the wheel on a market that's range-bound with tight, compressed Bollinger Bands. So you see the bands there. Bandwidth is 1.65. It's about the same as yesterday. The tasks for each side remain the same. The bulls have got to get over 2270. They've got to sustain a trade above 2270. They need to take out 77, engage the upper band, and then they want to expand. They want price expansion upward. The bears want to get below, convert on a closing basis, the green line there, the daily middle band, the 20-day simple moving average. We are into session 14 now, where we have closed above the daily mid-band, despite getting a test pretty much every session. And the reason the bands continue to compress is because we come down or up, and we engage middle band every day. If you engage middle band every day, the bands are going to tighten up and everything's going to compress into the middle. We remain in a range. That range is essentially from 2268 to 2257. It's provided some nice intraday opportunities. It did in the morning yesterday. The afternoon was a chop fest. We chopped after lunch. We had about a 4-handle range. The president did his last press conference, and the tape didn't seem to care. Yellen spoke. The tape didn't seem to care. It did a small pop at the close, right back up into the top of the range at 57. So we opened. We did pre-market 68 quarter. Dropped down, 58.25, defended. That area just continues to be defended. Lifted it up, closed right around 67.5 yesterday. They took it up to 68 and change. They've taken it back. So, those two areas have been very reliable. They've been very reliable for us in the room as far as where to get long and where to get short. The trick is this, and I was mentioning this to the subscribers yesterday. The trade that has not worked, the trade that has taken people out to the woodshed, is that lower high, so 58 into a lower high, and it kind of hangs, looks like it wants to be resistance, looks like a textbook lower high, and then it blasts off through. Okay. In turn, you'll make a high, you'll pull back about 4 handles, you'll come into a reliable area. That could be the opening print. That could be 5-minute midband. It could be VWAP. It could be weekly pivot. It hangs up, demonstrates like it wants to be support, and then breaks down. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. So this is a 5-minute chart. Why don't we make it a 15-minute chart? So you get the breakdown yesterday. Now in shorter time, right here, the lower high, higher low game is not working. Okay, it's getting people hurt. You go and make a high up here at 68.25. You linger around. You look like you want to make, you want some support here at 66.25, then it takes it back down. You go make a big old low, you're coming back here, you're acting like, this area, as it traded up through here, looked like it wanted to be resistance into the daily pivot. No. You go back up and all of a sudden you're trading 65s. You can see that throughout the week. So trade the edges of the range until the range breaks out or breaks down. Don't try to get cute inside the range. Everybody trying to get cute inside the range and predict that this is going to be the lower high that breaks it down or the higher low that takes it higher, they're the ones that are getting squeezed up and down and continuing to create the range. So just be aware of that, okay? We'll see how it goes today, but I mean, you've got the edges of the playing field laid out for you. Above 67.5 is 70, 77, and the upper band up at 79. Below 58, you get into 47. You get into 47. You get into 39. 28. So is today the day? I don't know. With the inauguration tomorrow, today is probably not the day. So I'm expecting another day of compression. If it's something other than that, I'll be pleasantly surprised. That's all I've got. Everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princetontrader. Come check out our website, Princetontrader.com, and come take a free trial in our chat room. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.